Well, it is the prerogative of the Pollution Control Board to ensure that the environment we live in is pollution-free. But sadly, the entity finds itself in muddy waters and its officials are involved in mudslinging.
The Karnataka State Pollution Control Board came into being with an objective. The objective to keep the environment clean and healthy. But some unhealthy practices are being reported within the board. It is quite apparent that something is amiss in Pollution Control Board. Recently, we have reported about an honest officer being sidelined and the corrupt one being favored. Now it has come to light that the chairman of the board, Dr. Vamanacharya, is absolutely unhappy with the functioning of board's secretary, Ramachandra. In fact, the chairman has written a confidential letter to Kaushik Mukherjee, the chief secretary of Karnataka government, which News9 has access to. The chairman in his letter has strongly condemned functioning of Ramachandra. He has written about his frequent interference in board's affairs and has alleged that he put pressure on the staff to work according to his whims and fancies. He was trying to influence all the decisions taken by the chairman, thereby relegating his position as chairman. Dr. Vamanacharya has also alleged that Ramachandra during his general transfers has seen to it that his henchmen occupy the most important positions. At the conclusion of his letter, the chairman makes daring accusation about Ramachandra being a corrupt official and nothing can be expected from an official of his caliber. The chairman has also pointed fingers at the undersecretary of the board, Anusuyamma, and case worker Manjunath, who have made it a habit of challenging every decision taken by the board. When our correspondent spoke to Ramachandra on his take about the allegations made against him, he preferred to remain silent but suggested that we speak to the chief secretary himself. While it is quite obvious that Pollution Control Board is polluted for sure and needs some remedial measures to stop the situation from getting murkier. Anand Burli for News9, Bengaluru.